Hello, good day friends. So welcome guys. So today I bring you guys a new update of a new quantitative platform. Now this platform just actually launched on the 26th and the activity began on the 27th of April 2025. So I want you guys to really take advantage of this as early as possible because I want to be dropping the updates very early on time. Now this platform is actually called Helena. So it's like I said, it just got launched recently. So let me show you guys their Telegram channel. So this is it. I tap on this place and you can see the date for yourself, 26th of April. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get started. Now primarily this is actually an official disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purpose and I'm just showing you guys what I do, so it's left for you to make your own decision. However, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually make good profit from stuffs like this. So quickly let's get started. Now primarily all you just need to do is to click down the link in the description box of this video. So once you click down the link, you are just going to get registered immediately. Now once you get registered, the next thing I want you to do is to click down the me icon. Now the me icon is the icon, the first icon counting from your right. So once you tap on that me icon here, just tap on this withdrawal. Now once you tap on this withdrawal, you'll be able to impute your login password. Now it is this same login password that you are going to use to place withdrawal. Are you following? So quickly, the next thing that you need to do is to come here, just tap on the home, go to your home. Now once you tap on your home, you are going to see different form of upgrade and different form of earning that you are going to do. Now for me, I choose the HR2, and the HR2 costs around 23 USDT, which is going to be giving me around, let's say give or take, it's going to be giving me around 6 USDT as a daily earning. But I want to encourage you guys, because this is, like I said, it's an official disclaimer based on the fact that how platforms as this, how they move. So I would just have to advise you that if you want to go in with this, go with funds that you can let's go. And I'll encourage you to not supersede, like let's say we have the HR1 and then we'll have the HR2. So I will encourage you not to go above this HR1 and HR2. HR1 costs around 8 USDT for you to make do of it. So if you make use of HR1, it's going to be giving you around 2 USDT daily, while HR2 is going to be giving you around 6 USDT daily. So my target is just 7 days. I'm giving you guys an honest review based on what I do. As you can see display right there on that wallet, this is actually a wallet that is live and trading. So quickly, to cut the long story short, let me get straight into it and start up my activity. After you are done recharging, based on the amount that you use to recharge, it's going to allow you to make some certain earnings. So for me, like I said, I made use of the HR2. So because I made use of the HR2, the next thing I'm going to do is to just come here and click on tax. Now after your recharge, your tax is going to be given to you based on your recharge. So if I come here and tap on complete, just watch display right here on my screen, you're going to see my daily earning is going to be made live. You can see it is completed successfully. So I'm going to be coming back every 24 hours interval to tap on this complete tax. You can see this is completed, right? So what I earn is around 6 USDT, you understand? So let me come back here and tap on home. So like I said, I don't want you guys to go above HR1 and HR2. Then the next thing for me to do is to come here and place withdrawal. So if I tap on withdrawal, you are seeing this live on my screen. I'm going to be earning around 6 USDT there about. So this is it. So let me just making use of USDT BEP20 network. Let me go back straight to my wallet and then I impute my password here, and then I tap on USDT BEP20, then I tap on receive. I believe you guys can see the amount that we have here. Currently you can see different live withdrawals that I've made. So let me just place my withdrawal now immediately. You can see I'm placing a withdrawal of 6. I'm doing everything live and direct so we all can see for ourselves. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you guys the stuff I do. So I am going to confirm it. Once I confirm it, you are seeing it's successful, right? So like I said, I want you guys to ape in into this as soon as possible. Give or take, my own plan is for around 7 days. So in the next 3 days, I'm already getting a good ROI. You understand? So if I started up with around 23, right? If I earn 6 today, 6 tomorrow, and 6 on the 3rd day, that's you see it, right? And then the 4th day, you can see I'm already getting my startup back. So you can see I've made my withdrawal. Let's go confirm it. Let's see if it has arrived. So if you want to recharge, just come here, click on the recharge icon here. You can see we have USDT BEP20. We have this is BSC. You understand? So if you want to make the easiest one for you to do, just come here and tap on USDT. This is BEP20. You see it here with the Tether icon, USDT BEP20, right? Or you come here and choose what TRC. You can see there are different ones you can choose. There are different ones. You just choose the network preferably you want for USDT and equivalent to the recharge amount you want to make do of. So let's confirm if our withdrawal has arrived. So you can see our withdrawal has arrived right here. You can see it displayed on the screen. You can even see the exact time I'm making this video. So ape into this, guys, and take advantage of it. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. You can also find your way down to my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel is in the pinned comment of this video, and I'm going to be dropping the registration link to this site in the pinned comments of this video. You can come to my Telegram channel and participate in different token adoption that you can actually earn from and learn how to work on the cryptocurrency space and Web3. You can see different token adoption. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe.